turn left. Okay, come down and left about 100 feet and find those guys that were already moving downhill.
Enemy force at Whiskey Bravo.
Contact. All right.
15625.
You're clear to shoot.
Over.
With a good laser range.
Alright, buddy, I'm at 3 o'clock, going to 2 o'clock. Still left orbit, 6 clear. Clear to fire.
Fire. Okay. Go ahead and shoot.
Okay, engage.
Okay. Everybody's got a heads
Nice.
He appears to be hunkering down.
Go ahead,
okay.
fire.
Okay, engage.
One more time. Nice. Secondaries. Go ahead, fire.
Fire.
Very nice. One more time, just for good measure.
Roger. Shot.
And we're outbound to the west. If you get a good spot.
Okay, it's 32-8 again. The one I have isn't looking right.
A little lower.
Cobra 1-1. That's Cardinal 30.
Alright, we're at 6,300 and starting to circle to the left orbit.
Alright, I'm coming in with you, shooter.
Stay firm. Okay, you're up gun, right?
Cardinal coverage, ma'am. Another group of insurgents to the south of the Gracie Pass, engaging with Hellfire missile, 4 additional ETI. We'll continue to search.
Get in there.
Roger.
Go ahead.
Okay.
The guy on the right.
Engaging.
Guy on the right.
Roger.
Roger.
Ready.
Pick one and shoot him.
Pass to you. It's actually to the of
Alright, try it again.
I got a 6-digit one ready.
Ooh, there's actually a guy below your line of sight. See him?
Negative.
Just, no, right, stop, go back up.
Okay.
Come in. Right there,
Roger.
see him?
Firing.
Come up, come up a little bit.
Okay.
Go ahead, shoot. Very good. One more time, quick. Alright.
Okay, go ahead and engage. Good effect. Engage that guy right there, by the tree. Okay. Movement. Yeah, Cardinal cancel. Go ahead and send the grid. Engage.
Roger. Grid follows 8, 1, 2, 6, 2, 6, 2,
Artifact.
9er.
Okay.
We're good. Alright, engaging.
Yep.
Roger. I got another grid for you when you're ready.
Hair low.
Roger.
Try it again.
White 1. Engaging into it.
A little lower.
We had another group of about
Good.
1 to 5 insurgents. We're engaging those just to the south of the original grid that you gave. Get a real good laser store on it, and then
Who's this? That's definitely somebody hiding there.
yeah, so laser store. Try to try and associate that. Alright, one ready.
Alright.
One more. One more.
Fire. Got him.
Yeah, good effect. 1K.
Excellent. There's one right in there.
Yeah, they're all still alive right there. They're hot. Alright, good. Go down a little bit, hit that one. Good effect. I got that other one hiding right there. One more right there. Roger that.
Okay, go ahead.